Hi guys, welcome back again in today's beautiful and amazing video. Guys, today I am here to talk about 2 ways that will make your woman to pour water if she is finding difficult to pour water during knacking. All you have to do is to use these 2 ways only and see her pouring water over and over again. Like, you are going to be literally begging her to stop pouring water, and that I know that is what every man out there need. If a woman doesn't pour water during knacking, it means that she is not enjoying your knacking, or probably your knacking is not making sense to her, or you are not knacking it in the right places. Guys, but before I dive into this video, if it is the first time of coming across to this channel, guys, you are highly welcome. And for my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate all your love and your support. Okay, so now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into these ways. Now, let me just say this: when you are knacking your woman, do you know that women are mostly moved by the ways that you are using on them? That is why you will see a woman that will even reject you today, but because of some ways, some romantic and sensitive ways that you are using on her, or you have told her, she will just go back to her house and then start rethinking this word, what you mean by using this word, and before you know it, she will she will accept you by the words that you have already used on her. But this is the woman that is like proving stubborn. That is why women move by the ways that you use them. That is why we are easily convinced, especially when a man is talking to us. But you see, men move with what they see. So we are different people. You understand? Women move by the ways, while men move by their eyes. Okay, now the reason why I said those 2 ways that you should use for her to be able to pour water during knacking perfectly, especially if she is this type that hardly pour water. You know that when a woman doesn't pour water during knacking, guys, trust me, no matter how big your joystick is, no matter how smooth your joystick is, no matter how long your joystick is, no matter how different position that you are giving to her is, guys, trust me, you are going to be worsening the matter. Like, she's not going to be literally enjoying anything that concerns that knacking throughout that day. But once she has poured water, but once she is like her water is already coming out, guys, if you like, hang her legs up and then knack her, guys, she's going to even enjoy that position. She's going to enjoy that knacking. When a woman's pour water during knacking, it's easier for both parties to do what, to enjoy themselves properly. But when a woman didn't pour water or has not poured water and you are knacking her, you as a man, you will not enjoy it, because you are going to be brushing yourself. You will be brushing yourself, and like, as you are brushing yourself, you are also giving her some kind of bruises inside the honey pot, and which she's not going to find it very comfortable knacking with you. You understand? Once something like this occurs, so that is why it is very important that a woman pour water as much as she can. You understand? Now, these 2 ways will make her to pour that water so easily, very perfect, so fast. Number 1 ways that you should use on her is this: babe, you are sweeter more than a grape wine. You know, grape wine has this unique taste that make it to be different more than any other wine. You understand? Grape wine has this unique taste that when you are sipping grape wine, like, it's be ringing bell in your mind, in your brain, that you are actually drinking organic grape wine. And grape wine has a unique taste, and that is what you are telling that woman, that she has this unique taste, that she is even sweeter. Women move by the ways. Remember that she is even sweeter than what a grape wine. This word alone melts her. Oh my god, it will melt her down to her honey pot. As you are telling her this, please make use of your hand in the right places, which I have told you guys countless times on this channel, where you're supposed to put your hand on. You understand? Even when she has not really pulled off for the knacking, okay, there are some, places that is very accessible that you can actually, put your hand while you are doing this, while you are telling her that she is sweeter more than a grape wine. That is the word number one. Then words number two is this: baby, you are softer than bread. Hey, guys, when a woman is softer than a bread, you can imagine bread alone is soft on its own. Now you are telling her that she is softer. Any woman that is softer, you understand, you're gonna be seeing all her skin, like she'll be like everywhere is so soft, so soft. You understand? Like when you are using these ways on her, guys, like she's going to be very comfortable, especially when you are using these ways and you are touching the right places. Oh my god, guys, if you mistakenly move your hand any further down to a honey pot, you're gonna be seeing that, you're gonna be noticing that, yes, oh my god, this woman is already pouring, in fact she has poured a lot of water. These two works can make a woman, in fact will even make a woman. If you doubt what I'm saying, please, you can practicalize it with your woman, with your fiance, with your wife, and see that, yes, what I am telling you today is the truth and nothing but the truth. These two works melt a woman's heart to the extent of melting their emotion down to their honey pots. Do you understand? It's very easy. Just learn this simple. Just learn these two words, guys. Anytime she's proving stubborn, anytime she's like she's not pouring water or she's not in the mood, just use this word. You don't need to, dash her silver or gold. You don't need to break your bank just to make her, to be with you at the happy moment. You can just use this way and then make use of your hand properly in a very slow motion with respect, and watch the action. Watch the action coming up. Okay, so guys, I'm going to end this video, but before I end this video, guys, I have a master class coming up on the 9th to 11th of April next month, right? So that master class is going to be for men that want to eat their way to curing some health challenges such as prostate enlargement. You want to prevent prostate not to come across to your health as a man, guys. This class is for you. You want to eat your way to cure prostate. Yes, you can actually eat your way to cure prostate. That is what I'm going to be teaching you in that class. If you have a diabetes, if you have high BP, if you have erectile dysfunction, you want to eat, you need a food, you want natural food that you can eat naturally, organically, that can correct all of this thing, that will make your joints to get bigger and also stronger. If you're having diabetes, high BP, prostate enlargement, you understand, this class is for you. But do not forget, I also have my Odogu Herbal mixture, the one that I use roots and also some herbs to produce. I have my Odogu Herbal mixture for stronger joystick, for bigger joystick. I also have something that I use herbs to produce, such as herbal cure for prostate enlargement. You want to prevent it, I have a herbal cure for it. You want to cure diabetes, you want to cure high BP, you are having pie. Pie can also make your joystick not to be joying, like it to literally make your, in fact that is the worst, it can make your joystick to become so weak, just like vegetable. Like it does the same work with diabetes, pile and diabetes. These two can put you in a state of confusion, like you will just be walking as a man. Anybody that sees you will know that you are a man, but when it comes to the other side, you are just literally a woman. Do you understand? So if you want to use herbal way to cure that, then you can come and get my Odogu Herbal mixture. But if you want to use food, organic food, you understand, to cure all of these sicknesses, whether you are watching me from Canada, you're watching me from UK, you are watching me from anywhere, from US, and you need something, a fruit that you can use to cure all of this things comfortably, that is very accessible to your location, this class is for you. All you have to do is to send me a message WhatsApp on this number, +234 90 59825779 plus 2349059825779. Guys, I am active on WhatsApp, and I want to purchase for my odogu and other herbal medicine that I just stated now that I use, roots and herbs to produce. Chat the same WhatsApp line. Okay, I am mostly active on WhatsApp. Please do not call, because most of the times when you call, I will not be chance to pick your call, because I have a lot of messages I have not even replied on my WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to send a message. Whenever I come across to your message, guys, I will definitely reply you. And if you are not serious of buying any products or registering for the masterclass, please do not even bother chatting me or even calling me. Okay, now if you have a question regarding my teaching, please drop it at the comment section, because that is where YouTube provided a space for you to ask any confusing question. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of this video for today. I really appreciate all your love and your support. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video as you are watching it, share it, leave your comment under the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Do have a wonderful and lovely day. I love you all. Remember, bye.